Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is the Halloween / Ate Claudette's 50th birthday celebration, which is long overdue. Forgive me, I still haven't recovered from my colds and cough, and medyo malat pa talaga yung boses ko. And I've been very busy the past few days, busy recovering. So right now we're driving to the cemetery. That's my Ate Myra driving. And first stop is visiting my Tito Lito and Mana. So here we go. Hi Tolits, how are you there? I miss you. So that's my mama, my niece Kiara, and nephews Zilvian and Maggie. So, ang init dito. Thank you kay Kuya na nagpasilong sa amin. That's our Tita Mana. So, we've offered flowers and candles. That's my Ate Myra. Laki na ng pamangkin ko. Matangkad na sa mami niya. Sana tumangkad pa. Really. Yeah, it's so hot here. So, ayan, ang dami nang nag-visit nila mga loved ones. This is actually the private cemetery, and this is my papa's. It's been a long time since I visited Papa. And his painting needs retouching. Kasi ang dami nang pinagdaanan niya. Bagyo. And I miss you. So ayan, I think the last time I visited him was pre-pandemic pa. So I think tampo na siya sa akin. So this is my two nieces, Andrea and Alexa. Ang aking dalawang labubo na very cute. So, here naman, visiting our Tita Buji, Nanay Bell, and Tita Mana. Andito din ang lolo namin, si Lolo Pilis, na hindi ko na-meet. And that's our birthday celebrant, Ate Claudette. Happy birthday! 50 ka na, your golden age, and now we're off to celebrate!
This one boy, and he won't stop calling. When they act this way, I know I gotta. Too bad your ex don't do for you. Wanting and drinking truly for you. So singing out perfume for you. I know I'm to do it for you. Don't want coffee brewed for you. Want to shine out when do it for you. Nice, think about me every night. Oh, is it as sweet like a soul? So you can't sleep, baby, I know it's got me espresso. Move it up, down, up, right, oh, switch it up like Nintendo. So you can't sleep, baby, I know it's got me espresso. It's ironic that only you feel the way I promise, and that you're different, and everyone makes mistakes, but you still. Understand the power that was inside you.
Happy birthday, Ate. Happy birthday, Ate.
Tatanggal na ba daw ang
Happy birthday. Happy Halloween. Ay, kako mo.
Ang cute ko. Bawal tumawa. Tapos, kakain ako ng barbecue.
Tapos natutuluan yung
Sarap nga.
masarap din yung kinagawad Raquel. Kaya lang, mas accessible din.
The steak. Open, open, open.
May pansit pa nga pala man.
Happy 50th birthday, ate!
Grabe, ate, 50 ka na?
50 ka na. Say happy birthday, mami.
Happy birthday.
Tito Lau, say hi to the vlog.
At masisira na ang kanyang makeup.
Okay lang yon. Magpipicturean ulit mamaya pagdating ng mga ano. Mas madali lang naman. Red lipstick lang yan.
Pero gawin niya lang duguan.
Na kinuha ko kay Ate Mayra.
May makeup kasi secret technique ng dalawa.
Ano yung Lorax?
Walang tayo na ano.
Ano yun?
Tabasco.
Tandaan mo, cigarette, wala na.
Maalala mo pa. Hindi naman niya nalimutan.
Bakit hindi bukas ang spoon? May bukas ba?
Ngayon, sa harap yun.
Okay.
Oh, ngayon, hindi na pwede kumain ng yun.
Ang diet ko nito ay special dog, goodies, at carrots. Ano yun? Walang pumpkin?
Wala, carrot. Kapit talaga.
Dahil ayaw kainin ni Tito Lau ang carrots, kaya sa'yo na lang.
Nagbuo ko siya ng isang buong tapos steam ko. Parang treats.
Carrot? Pili mo sa carrot.
Carrots is good.
Hindi nga sila masyadong natabas yung mag-alvin na kain.
Salit naman ng nanay. Hindi
Sino
na.
nagluto ng set?
Alin?
Silaw? Sarap.
Sarap nga.
Sarap.
Sulit ng pagiging mother.
Ang yummy.
Pawis. Ang sarap yung sabaw. Alam ko na. Costume ko mamaya nakakatakot. At least shiny. Matatakot kayong lahat.
Oh.
Sigurado. Meron ko din.
Kukuha ko sandwich.
Ay, naku.
Ito ko, ako kay Maggie. Love coat eh.
Sabi ni kuya mo, hindi na ako takot dyan.
Ako pa rin ang sasasakyan.
Gusto ko.
Maubos sa amin, hindi yung isang plato. Appetizer.
Eh di wala na.
Hindi,
Kasi dahil cemetery yung lagkit. Ang init ba? Tsaka, ang ganda yun, nakaka-refresh ng ano. Para kasi, makakapagkasiyahan pa. Baso ba ito ni RR?
Jet penging tubig. Jet na ako. Sigaret sa'yo.
Turuan niyo ako mag-in-between.
si Mary.
video mo kapag sa live.
Smile na mo na. Nakangiti mo ako. Tapos ko. Balas na balas. Ay, smile na ako. Ako din nakakalitos. Uy, nag-i-improve na nga ang costume nyo ngayon. Hindi na kayo mga mukhang ano. Anghel na walang langit. Okay, smile.
Paano ako? Mamaya kasama ko dalawa.
1, 2, kuya! Nasaan ako? Balik na. Balik ko. Makakangini ng electric fan. Nakahangin na lalaglag. Ayan.
Season you if you want forever. I bet you do, just know you'll taste me too. Sit down on the carpet. Explain, takes time. It's funny now all it shows it different. Guess who you learned that from? Now that you're still there next to me, 1 degree of separation. I hold you back together, and if that's true, you have just to taste me when it's kissing you. If you want forever, I bet you do. Just know you'll taste me too. Close your eyes and feel these lips, you're feeling mine. And every time you breathe this air, just know you're so already there. You can never make feel like I've been there, done that once or twice. And saying that it don't need to care. I know I've been known to share. Well, I heard you got together, and if that's true, you just have to taste me when it's kissing you. If you want forever, I bet you do. Just know you'll taste me too. To taste me when it's kissing you. Just have to taste me when it's kissing you. It's mine, it's cool. You can say that to say I told you so. You know I hate to say, but I told you so. Another shot trying to stop the feeling. You can say it's just the way you are. Make a new excuse, not a stupid reason. Good luck, babe. Well, good luck, babe. To stop the world, just to stop the feeling. Good luck, babe. Well, good luck, babe. Stop the world, just to stop the feeling. Stop the world, just to stop the feeling. To stop the world, just to stop the feeling. To stop the world, just to stop the feeling.
Sakit. Walang isip na yan. Wala nang ano.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Mag-happy birthday ka muna kay ate. Mag-happy birthday ka muna kay ate.
Happy birthday, ate. Happy birthday, ate. Happy birthday!
Asa pa birthday mo, mama? Hindi ako tanong pa muna. Cheers, kita mami. Asa? Kiss mo daw si kita mami.
Hoy!
Stay up na mami.
Yeah! Happy birthday to me!
You can take me home to go. H-O-T-T-O-G-O. You can take me home to go. H-O-T-T-O-G-O. You can take me home to go. I'm so tired, you can see my heartbeat tonight. I'm taking you, baby, best believe that's the one. Reserving romance, tricks in the plans, don't give up tonight. One night out here, I don't know tears, thinking I'm trying. Heto na ang pinakahihintay natin. Heto na tayong magkayakap sa dilim. Okay, sarap ng mga nakang nasa ngayon. Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim. Ang taas na!
My love!
Milo!
Ayaw!
Sparkle.
Eto.
Sparkle, sweets, sweets, sweets. Oh, boleh teman. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle.
Meron pa pala dito si Mami Amber. Nag-aabang din. Si Mami Amber, bigyan mo daddy yan wala sa ilalim.
Top? Ba't merong anak sa loob? Dami naman nila. Sparkle. Parang si Munchoy! Hindi!
Bottle dripping in my favor. Never that dirty. I forgot all that is wrong. I sleep so I can see you. Di ba totoo lang yun?
Hindi ko rin alam.
I leave and walk away to the walls inside the house. Di ba totoo lang?
Of mine.
Hindi na sternis na. Mag-ihilog na. Baka may masakit spirit pa.
Ito ba po sa akin papahilit sa inyo?
Lamig lang ako. Nangihirod lang po ako.
Para saan? Para sa barya. Lapang. Ano mo na? Nagyap ako medyas. Nasaan yung medyas?
Ang cute nung pusa ni Alvin.
Forever's gonna start tonight. Once upon a time I was falling in love. Now I'm only falling apart. There's nothing I can do. A total eclipse of the heart. Once upon a time there was light in my life, but now there's only love in the dark. of the heart. Darling lips of the heart. Turn around, bright eyes.
Clap your hands, kuya!
Turn around, bright eyes.
Next song!
Oh, sweet thing, to sit around and wait for you. But baby, can't you see, there's nothing else for me to do. I'm hopelessly devoted to you. But now there's nowhere to hide. Since you pushed my love aside, I'm out of my head, hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. My head is saying, forget me. My heart is saying, don't let go. Hold on till the end. That's what I intend to do. I'm hopelessly devoted to you. But now there's nowhere to hide. Since you pushed my love aside, I'm out of my head, hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. Nais kong magpakalasing dahil wala ka na. Nakakaanak at bahay natin pinalayo. Lahat ng ito'y nawala nung iniwan mo. Kaya ngayon inuus ka kapit sa aking lalamunan. Upang maluluhan ang puso ko'y nahihirapan. Bawat patak, anong sarap, ano ba talagang mas gusto mo? Akin na to ang pag-ibig mo.
Taya! Puro na lang taya!
Ere po, kapural, ere po. Pati ere po ang kapural.
I-video mo rin yun sa dami ng boses na nakanta, walang tama.
Oo nga. Dali-dali na nga lang.
Kaya mo silang dalawa.
Sino pang walang
Nasa
taya?
sa loob.
Sino pang walang taya? 2 piso pa.
Kaya ako.
Pabariya! Akala ko tumaya na ako. Taya ka na.
Kaya na ako.
Si Mama, di ba nataya?
Yan si mama lagi na, skip.
Nasa
Get it?
Wait lang, papabariya ako.
Ere po ang bangka, ere po ang dealer. Ayan.
Minalas pa.
Ano ba to?
Ano ba yan?
Bernie Menelia. Bakit
Ah, kala ko sa...
Ako din, malas. Burn ko. O, ikaw.
Malas din ako.
Malas din.
Ako din.
Ah, kala ko malas.
Mamaya ka, Maggie. Magkano
Malas
sa'yo?
nga. Ah, nakapanalo pa ng dalawa.
Wala.
Batik na, bunso. Batik na sila dito.
Mami.
Does it show again, Mama, just how much I miss you? Yes, I'm broken hearted. Ooh, since the day we parted, why did I ever let you go? Mamma mia, now I really know, my, I could never let you go. Does it show again, Mama, just how much I miss you? Yes, I've been broken hearted. Blue since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go, Mamma mia? Even if I say bye, leave me now or never, Mamma mia. It's a game we play, bye, doesn't mean forever. Here I go again, Mama, how can I resist you? Mamma mia, does it show again, Mama, just how much I miss you? Yes, I've been broken hearted, blue since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go, Mamma mia? Now I really know, Mama, I could never let you go.
Dapat isa, dalawa. Mga gastos naman sa amin. Ang isang Downy kasi mayaman isin. Sabi mo na, may savings ka pa. Downy, nabeki pa.
Tapos ako yung pangalawang stanza, ikaw kasunod. tapos si ate kukunin mo yung manok ko.